Do you need to renew your contract for the 2026 to 2027 academic year? We'll explain how. There are 3 periods you need to keep in mind, depending on what you want to do. From May 4th to 13th, if you want to renew the same apartment and the same bed you currently have. From May 15th to 21st, if you want to move to another apartment with your group of friends. From May 26th to 29th, if only you want to move to another apartment. First, know when it's your turn to renew. Second, go to Vila's website and click the Renew button. Third, you must be registered in My Vila. Now yes, it's as easy as following the steps. To access them, use the same information you used to register in My Vila. 1. If you want to renew the same apartment and bed May 4th to 13th, from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., enter and click the Renew button to renew your bed in your apartment. Remember to check I have read the conditions to continue. Once you do this, you'll also be able to block a place for someone else. We'll explain that at the end of the video. After blocking a place, the only thing left is to sign the contract digitally. When finished, you will receive a confirmation email. 2. If you want to move to another apartment with friends, May 15th to 21st, from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Although this is a group renewal, only one member of the apartment should submit the request. Once inside, you'll be asked to fill in the information of the entire group. First, we'll ask for the ID numbers of the rest of the apartment members. The circle with "you" indicates that you are making the reservation, and each time you enter a friend's ID, new green circles with their initials will appear. Now, choose the building, the floor, and the apartment you want. Apartments in green are available. Apartments in gray are occupied or blocked. Once you choose, the apartment map will open so you can assign rooms. Drag each member into the room they want. When ready, click Renew. Now, you only need to sign the contract digitally. After that, you will all receive a confirmation email. If you want to block a place for a friend, now is the time. Keep in mind, you can only move apartments with people who already live in Vila. If you want to live with friends who do not live in Vila, you must block a place for them. 3. If you want to move to another apartment on your own, May 26th to 29th, from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., enter and choose the type of apartment, the building, floor, and apartment you want. You can only click those shown in green, accept the conditions, and click Renew. If you want to block a place for a friend, now is the time. Then sign the contract digitally. When finished, you'll receive a confirmation email, how to block a place for a friend, whether they live in Vila or not. Once you have renewed, you'll see the option to block a place for a friend. If they already live in Vila, simply enter their ID, NIE, or passport as registered in My Vila and follow the steps. If you enter the information of someone who does not live in Vila, you'll get an error. What you need to do is register them by filling in the required information and clicking Register. Each time you add someone to block a place for, circles with their initials will appear. Gray, you. Green, current Vila residents. Orange, new students. After entering all the friends you want to block places for, click Assign Places and drag each circle to the bed you want to block for them. Click Block. Once the place is blocked, you will receive a confirmation email. It is very important to understand that this process is a place block, not a reservation. Additionally, when blocking a place for someone who does not live in Vila, you must send an email to vila@vilauniversitaria.com. Has someone blocked a place for you? If someone has blocked a place for you and you already live in Vila, you must renew through our website during the 3rd renewal period. Starting May 29th, all blocks will be canceled. If you are a former resident or were on the waiting list last year, you must submit your application between June 1st and 26th, 2026 by emailing vila@vilauniversitaria.com. If you are a high school student or have never lived in Vila, you must submit your application between July 1st and 24th. Remember to indicate the apartment in your request, how to sign the contract. Once you renew, you'll receive an email with the contract draft. Simply forward this email, attaching a photo of your ID, NIE, or passport. It's important not to change the email subject line. A few minutes later, you'll receive a second email with the contract and instructions to sign it digitally. Sign it and send it back. Finally, you'll receive a third email with the contract signed by you and by Vila. Important things to keep in mind. 1. To renew, you must be registered in My Vila. 2. If you enter your ID but registered with your passport, you'll get an error and won't be able to log in. 3. To renew in Vila, you must be enrolled at UAB. 4. You can live in Vila for a maximum of 6 years, Vila 1 and Vila 2. 5. The deadline to cancel the contract with the right to refund the deposit is July 24, 2026. 6. If you have administrative problems and cannot sign the renewal contract before July 24, 2026, the contract will be automatically canceled. 7. If you will be doing a master's/PhD, you must move to Vila 2. For more info, Vila 2 at vilauniversitaria.com. 8. The contract duration is from September 1st to June 30th. If you need more information, you can email us at vilauniversitaria.com.